I'm back with another one. Yes, we're back. And if Promise didn't already tell everybody that watches our videos, I had broken my iPod, so I couldn't record anymore. And I got a new one, so we're lit. I don't know why I stay doing that. I know I can't do it. Alright. Alright, so anyways, back to the normal intro. It's your girl Leah, and today I'm here with a special guest, Genesis! Yeah, y'all thought it was close. I almost fell down this crack thing. Shut up. So, the rules of the challenge are... What the hell is that? Oh, it's just the railing. The rules of the challenge are...
Just the railing?
You have to use all the sound effects in Imovie. So... What are you doing? I thought you were holding it. Alright, so... all the sound effects I will be reading in the next jump cut. So I'm just going to pull up iMovie on my phone. Hit me up. 203. No, I'm just playing. Alright, so I'm going to go check all the sound effects. We already used 2 in the intro. If you didn't watch the intro and you skipped it, what is wrong with you? Like, our intros be popping.
I know, right?
What you mean?
Like, who are you? Like,
You're so dumb. Like, go somewhere with your life.
Do something.
Like,
Swear,
skip
sit down
my
somewhere.
intros. What you mean? Go skip, what's his face? Joey Graceffa's intro.
Oh, no,
Not
honey.
mine. Yes,
Joey Graceffa is the bomb.
No, well, he kind of.
What is that?
A wall. Oh, it's an ant.
That ain't no ant. Wait a second.
Oh, it's not an ant. It's your mom. Oh! Sound effects rolling! Alright, so, the sound effects are alarm, applause, we already used that. Bark, bell tower, bicycle, boing, booing crowd, bubbles, camera shutter. Alright, let me stop. Car skid, cartoon ascending, clock tick, coin drop, comedy horns, comedy whistle, cow moo, crickets, crowd cheer, data, dinosaur growl, doorbell, electricity, fax machine, foghorn, footsteps, frogs, giggle, golf hit, guitar chord, madge, I don't know what that says, guitar chord min, stop, hard rain, if you know what I'm talking about,
You are...
hydraulics, jet flyby, kids booing, kids cheering, we already did that, laser, monster roar, Morse code, mystery, news today, news yesterday, phone busy signal, phone dial tone, phone ring, ping, police siren, race car, radio tune, rooster, school bell, sci-fi sweep, seagulls, sheep, squeeze toy, oh my god, suspense rising, suspense strike, tape rewind, thunder, time warp, walkie-talkie, and water splash. Those are the sound effects we will be needing to use. Oh, water splash, and we got a pool right there. So convenient. Alright, so, yeah, those are the sound effects we need to use. We already used 2 of them, so this should be pretty easy, because for some reason, we're really weird people, and weird people come up with the best idea. That's how I came up with this video. I was like, yo, Genesis, you know what we could do? My friend FaceTimed me, and I was like, shut up. When I'm in the middle of a press conference, I hung up on her, and we had the press conference, and I was like, yo, we should do the iMovie sound effects challenge. What's that? I've never heard of it. That's what you said.
It's not my voice!
And, hold up, that was perfect. And I was like, we have to use all the sound effects in iMovie. And we can make up whatever we say. We can hit each other. We can...
Like this.
Please don't. You're very heavy-handed. Please don't hit me. I'm heavy-handed too, so... I just made my own sound effect. Did you hear that? I said...
And also...
Hold on, jump cut. That blooper. The blooper is going to be at the end, so watch for that. I'm out of breath now. Okay. You said a fly.
My heart is beating. I gotta beat.
Hearts are always beating, you retard.
Well, it's beating faster now.
Beating faster. Ooh, 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 ooh. Elijah, if you're watching this, you know what that's from. Ooh. Ooh, ooh. I'm not gonna touch that area because I'm a girl. And I'm not wearing a diaper, so I can't be like Jeffy. You know what I'm saying? I feel like I look like a rapper, because you know how in music videos, they be sitting like this, and they be, hey. Speaking of rappers, I don't know where I was going with that. No. No. Alright, so, we're gonna start the challenge in 3, 2, 1, jump cut. Oh, wait, you clap for me. Alright, 3, 2, 1, jump cut. I dropped my iPod. Alright, let's try this one more time. 3, 2, 1, jump. There we go. Alright, you want to start our first bit? Alright, remember, we can say whatever we want, so back up a little bit. So, airplane food, huh? What's up with that?
Oh my god.
So, how about that hip hop, huh? Kendrick Lamar? More like Kendrick Papar. So funny.
Oh god.
Let me stop. Kendrick Lamar is my favorite rapper, so let me stop. What we need to learn to do?
What?
We need to learn how to play the piano and be like. Alright, let me stop. That wasn't rehearsed. She just started copying me. Like word to moms, it wasn't rehearsed. Not crossing.
Are you okay?
Toes. I'm trying to prove to them that. Look, I'm not crossing anything in. Exactly. Words to mom, that wasn't rehearsed. She was just copying me. Alright, say cheese for the camera, y'all. I'm posting this on Snapchat. I'm sending this to Chloe.
Timmy, dance.
Oh, please stop. I'm bored and tired and lonely.
What the heck?
I don't know why I was laughing like that. That was the fakest laugh ever. Speaking of fake laughs, if y'all watching this and we were, if you're one of my ghetto friends that understands what bubbles means, it was that type of fake laugh. Alright, let me stop. I'm so...
Me too.
Alright, let me stop. I should call my mom. No, she's working.
We should get on.
I'm calling my little sister. Shut up!
Can we get on with the video? Like,
Alright.
Seriously, like.
We need to learn how to play the piano.
I don't.
Alright, let me stop. Audio. I'm not doing anything on my phone. Because my phone is dry as freak, dude. Back. I just had to cry for a minute because my phone is so dry. Somebody text me. My number's going to be in the description. Unless you already have it, then just hit me up. What?
Nothing.
Yo, we should record one of those things. You want to record that?
Oh yeah!
I think they just heard everything we said.
No, you didn't. Bye.
Let me stop. Yo, I used to have a dog, and we would when he would do something bad, we would put it in his cage. I almost said we would lock him in the door. We would put him in a cage, and I forgot to close the door, so I just heard him running around barking like that's not how he sounded, but I'm not trying to wake up my grandma. But it was really loud.
What the heck is this?
It's a speck of dust. Like what you are. Oh! Alright, I'm done. I'm done. No more. Jesus. Hold on, we need to listen to something real quick. It's nothing. Actually, they can hear. Wait, what does that sound like? You'll hear that later on in the video.
And you will hear.
What do you?
You will hear this.
Stop! You're exposing us. Alright, let me stop. This video is so fun. Y'all. We kind of, sort of, maybe passed our limit for how long we could record videos. So we didn't complete the challenge. We lost the challenge. But since we lost, when Genesis sleeps over my house on Thursday until Monday, then we'll upload a part 2, even though we lost. We just want to keep going with this because this is actually low-key really fun. Editing is gonna be a nightmare, bro, because then we gotta go through the whole video and do like text stuff. Alright, we only did children cheering, applause,
And
crickets, and the piano one. So we only did...
And we did crickets too.
Yeah, I counted crickets.
Oh.
Children cheering, applause, crickets, and the piano one. So we only did 4...
11:47.
We only did 4 sound effects. So a part 2 will be coming on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, or before she leaves on Monday. Alright, that completes the outro. Bye!
Run!